is luxury?
Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines Business Class.
Is it exclusive access to truly private places? Or finding the right company? Is it being on top of the world while having everything within reach? Is it the sights or the sounds? Is it having many options just so you could pick the right one? Is it the feeling of being at home even if you're halfway around the world? With Philippine Airlines Business Class, it's all these and more. Because when you fly with the Philippines' first and only 4-star global airline, you will experience world-class service coming from the heart. Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.